4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, but today I am doing a eyeshadow palette review, a very, very, very affordable eyeshadow palette review. Let's get started. We're going to review this palette. I do have, I think, 3 or 4 looks that I will share using the palette. I did do this eye look using this palette. I'm really obsessed with like yellow, grungy, greeny sort of colors, you know, sort of that 90s situation.
You are giving me understated, real housewife, lunch lady, business, casual, chic.
I'm also a huge fan of Profusion. I feel like they just do not get they just don't get the recognition that they deserve. They have a lot of different palettes. This, I actually love their brushes too. So this came with the palette. It's obviously out now. And I absolutely love this brush. It's a fluffy brush, but it can get really detailed. I love these brush. This is another Profusion brush that I had gotten from a set, and absolutely love this brush too. I'm just so happy with this. This is their Gold Rush palette. It retails for $10. I got it for $10 at Walmart. They do carry it at Target as well. They have a ton of different ones. I do want to try, I think it's like the chocolate mattes or something like that, but I haven't done that. It says that it includes its Pro Series brush, so that's one of the brushes there. I think they do have like a lesser series, so I think you have to make sure it is their Pro Series because those are great. It's sort of like the Elf and the Wet n Wild brushes. Some of them are really, really good and some of them aren't. There are 21 shades in here, and there's a bunch of different finishes, so let's open it up, okay? And let's take a look at this. So it does have, let's see, 7 true mattes. Okay, so you have Slippers here, that's a matte. Busy Bee here, that is a matte. You also have, I'm sorry, it has 8 mattes. It has Likeable and Camel that are a matte. This does have a little bit of micro glitter in it. It also has Buttercup, which again also has a little bit of micro glitter in it. Serendipity, and then it also has Boost and Brown Sugar. Those are your mattes. It does have 10 shimmers, okay? So you have these 2 here that are regular shimmers, Shaker and Illusion, okay? And you also have these 2 here, which is Mod and Shimmy, that are shimmers, okay? You have these 2 here, which is Headliner and Winner, that are shimmers. You have Starship here. You also have this one here, Studio. And then you have Enlighten, which I love, is that sort of like citrine green color. You have Glorious. You also have Focus. Those are your shimmers. Then it has this sort of multifaceted one called, it's a shimmer, it's called Wow. It reminds me of some of the ones that are in like the Huda Beauty palettes. And then it does have Goddess, which is a pressed gel glitter, which I did not use yet. I'm pretty positive that that glitter, the way that the chunks are, I don't know. Yeah, so it does say that Goddess, it does indicate that Goddess on the back is not intended for the immediate eye area. I know there's a lot of controversy about glitter shadows and just people's thoughts about them. Honestly, I like to use it, and this is how I found I like to use them, is on my cheeks, because I don't care. I like to take it to the next level.
Into modeling.
Ooh, that's a look. That's a look.
So I will actually maybe like spray a little bit of my setting spray on the side. Like if I'm going out or something, and I'll just demonstrate and go ahead and put my finger in this glitter. Yeah, it's very loose glitters, but oh my gosh, so pretty. So what I'm going to do is actually just enhance what I have going on and just sort of tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap.
Just dab, 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 dab. Dab, 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 dab.
And then put that right on there just like that. So not using it on my eye, but actually using it on my face there. Oh yeah, so pretty. And even maybe like a little clavicle situation. Oh my gosh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I love it. But I mean, I'm obsessed with glitter, so what are you gonna do?
Ooh.
I don't normally do this, but I just love Profusion so much. And I've been holding off on these bigger palettes because I'm not usually a fan of a big palette like this. But these colors are so stunning. So I want to do some swatches of this. I'm not going to swatch the pressed glitter because we already did that. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so you've seen all of the swatches. So overall, like, I just have to say the mattes in this palette are so soft and buttery, and they're also powdery. So that's just something to keep in mind. This particular matte, Busy Bee, which is this one here, and also Buttercup, which is this one, these two, this one here and this one too. The yellow mattes, they swatch sort of patchy, but they build up and go on nicely. I have all the yellow mattes on my eyes right now, above and below, and so I do feel like on the eyes they translate very nicely. Dipping your finger into these shimmers and also in the mattes, pretty much everything is pretty buttery and there's a nice texture. This is the row number 1 here, okay? This is that sort of specialty color. You can see there's just a little more dimension and glitter in that. This is the first row. This is the second row. This color here is gorgeous. It doesn't show up very much on my skin, but it would be beautiful on lighter skin. This would be nice on darker skin to like set some type of concealer or to be like a lighter base. But that one's nice. And then these over here, this is the one here that has the micro glitter. And once it's on the eyes, you don't see that at all. So that goes away. This is that beautiful citrine color. Overall, I'm super impressed with this palette. I really, really, really like it. I'm happy that I got it for $10. It's a steal. If you're looking for this type of color story, I 100% recommend it. And yeah, that's what I have for you. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you would like to see any more of the Profusion 21 palettes reviewed and used, put that down below. There are several different ones. I have no problem picking those up and trying them out for you. If there's any other Profusion palettes or brushes, if there's any products in general you'd like to see, go ahead and put that down below as well. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye!